Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain data pre-processing in machine learning. So what is exactly data pre-processing? Data pre-processing is a process of preparing your raw data collected from the different sources and making it suitable for the machine learning model. This is the first step while creating the machine learning model. Data collected from the different sources can contain missing values or data which cannot be directly used for the machine learning model. Data pre-processing is a required task for cleaning the data and making it suitable for machine learning model, which also increase the accuracy and efficiency of machine learning model. So today I'm going to explain you how to create data pre-processing before start creating your machine learning model. So first of all, I'm going to explain different steps involved in data pre-processing. So let's start with the first step, that is called import required libraries, or you can say modules also. So just write down here import. The first library we required, that is called pandas as pd. Second library here I required, that is called import numpy as np. So these are the basic two libraries we required first. Now, after completing this step, after loading your required libraries, load dataset by using which one read underscore csv if that data present inside csv format. Now, here I'm going to use simple data set for the explanation purpose. So check out what is the data set I'm going to use. Just write down data frame object, that is called df, is equals to pd, that is the pandas object, alias name, read underscore csv in bracket. There is one data set that is called salary.csv. Okay, now check out, it contain how many columns? Now it contain 4 columns: country, age, salary, and own house. Whether that person, like this person belongs to India, age is 34, salary is 92,000, and it own a house, that is what S. So this data set I want to pre-process before applying to the machine learning model. Now check out, you can see here. Now age data set, age column consists of which one? Null value, or you can say not a number. Inside numpy it is indicated by which one? Absent value, or missing value is indicated by which one? Nan, that is called not number. Here actually you can see age column consists of what? Two null value, or not a number value, and salary also what? Missing value, that is called which one? Nan. Country column does not have any missing value, and own house does not have any missing value. Now you cannot apply this data directly to the what? Machine learning model. If these missing values are not handled properly, then we may get inaccurate result. So after loading your data set, you have to handle these missing values. But first of all, I want to show you how many missing values. Suppose this is very simple data, it consists of only 14 records, so easily you can see each column consists of only 2 missing value, and salary column consists of only what? 1 missing value. But suppose your data set consists of 40,000 and 80,000 records, then manually it is not possible to find out the count of missing values. For this purpose I can use what? Inbuilt function, that is called isNull df, that is data frame object dot isNull dot sum. You can calculate how many missing value present inside which one? That data frame. Now check out here, country column missing value 0, age column missing value 2, salary column missing value what? 1, and own house missing value is equals to which one? 0. So here we are going to work with these two columns, because these two columns consist of which one? Missing value. Rest of the columns does not have any missing value. Now question is that how to handle the missing values inside your which one? Data frame object. Actually there are two ways to handle the missing value. For first way, that is called which one? Delete all the records which have null values or NN value. That is the first way. And second way, replace null value or NaN value with the mean. Okay, so these are the two way to handle the missing values or NaN value. So first of all, I'm going to explain in detail how to handle missing value by using first method, that is called delete records with the null value. Okay, now remember this one, this method is advised only when there are enough samples in your data set. Removing the data will lead to the loss of information, will not give the expected result while predicting the output. Suppose if you have large data set like 80,000 and 90,000 records, then applying this method is very easy and suitable. Simply delete the record with the null value or NaN value. But if you have small data set like 100 record, 200 record or 10 record, 10 record is not actually proper way, but this is only for explanation purpose. In short, meaning is what I want to tell you. If you have small amount of records, then do not use this method. Okay, so this method is applicable only when you have large data set. So how to remove all the records with the null value? So for this purpose, simply call one function that is called drop NA, drop all the value with null that is not available or NaN value. In bracket, just write down which one in place is equals to true. Okay, now what this function will do? Here df means what? Data frame object, which consists of what? 0 to 13 means 14 records are present here. Drop NA means what? Delete all the rows which have at least one null value. So like this row is deleted, will be deleted, this row will be deleted, then this row will be deleted. Okay, check out what is the index of this one. 6, 10 and 13 index. These value must be deleted while calling which function? Drop NA. In bracket, I'm writing which one? In place is equals to true. What is the meaning of this one? Directly apply changes to the original data frame. If I do not write this one, changes are not applicable to the what? Data frame object. Here I'm passing true value, then changes are applicable to which one? Original data frame. Now again, after executing this one, if I copy this one and place here, then you can find out how many null value or missing value present here. Check out, after calling drop NA function, country, age, salary, own house has which one? Zero value, zero null value, NaN values. You can display all the data frame object here. Check out here all the data frame object. Now here you can see that row with the 6 index, row with the 10 index, row with the 13 index deleted. 6 index is deleted, then 13 index is deleted, and one more that is called 10 index is deleted. But after dropping the values, null values, what happened? Your index are not adjusted. Okay, so check out, it is using original index present inside which one? Data frame object. But for simplicity purpose, I'm going to reset the index. So after dropping all the null values, you have to reset these indexes by using a special function. The name of the special function is called which one? Df dot reset index, in bracket, again write down which one? In place is equals to what? True. Now what is the purpose of this function? This will adjust the index of which one? This one. This is not proper index right now. Check out, after 5th index directly 7th index is present, so one index is missing here. Then after what? 9th index, 11th index is present, one index is missing here. So your after dropping all the null values, your indexes are not adjusted. For this purpose, I am going to call which one? Reset underscore index. Now check out what happened after calling reset underscore index. So for comparison purpose, I'm going to use this line here, Control V, and again I'm going to print the data frame object. Now check out your index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what? Your index is what? Adjusted. So after dropping your null values or NaN values, you have to call this function that is called reset underscore index. So that will what? Adjust your index. Okay. Now this is the first method to handle your what? Null value. Again, I'm going to repeat this one. Use this method only when you have large amount of data like 80,000, 20,000. If you have small amount of data, then do not use this method, because if you delete the record by using this method, then you will get what less data which is applicable to the machine learning model, and your model will not predict accurately if you have what small amount of data. There is what straightforward rule: if you have large data, then your machine learning model what predict your input more accurately. If you have small amount of data, then your machine learning will predict what less accurately. So apply or choose method according to the size of your data set. Okay, now this is the first method to handle your what missing values, or you can say null value. I'm going to what use another method. So for this purpose, I'm going to delete this one. So just delete this one. Delete, delete. Okay, now again execute from the first cell, execute load libraries, load data set, then check out the null values: country 0, age 2, salary 1, own house which one 0. Now here I want to apply the second method to handle the null value, that is called replace all the NN values with the mean. Okay, remember this point. Now this step is applicable only for numeric value. This step is not applicable for which one categorical value. Means suppose this column, own house column, has which one null value, NN value, then this step is not applicable, because we have to find out the mean value of that column. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, check out age column and salary column consist of which one, NN value. So what I will do, first I will handle age column, then I will handle which one, salary column. So first step is what, in this method, find out the mean value of the age column. So question is that how to find out the mean value of the age column. Okay, so just go to here, write down find mean value of age column. Okay, so remember this one, this is the first step inside this method. So just find out the mean value of what, your age column. So write down m, this is the variable name, df, in square bracket write down the name of the column, that is equals to age, then dot write down method name is equals to which one, mean. Okay, so just write down mean, opening closing bracket, and print the value of what, m. Now check out here, it is showing the mean value is equals to 34.83. That is the mean value of which column, age column. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace this NN value with what, 6 index with the mean value. Again 10th index mean value is replaced by sorry, NN value is replaced by which one, mean value. So how to replace mean value, NN value with the mean value? Just write down one more line, df, that is data frame object, then age column name, dot, there is one function, the name of the function is called which one, replace. Okay, replace, then in bracket write down np, that is the numpy alias, dot nan. Inside numpy, missing value is represented by one constant, that is called which one, nan, and that is accessed by using np.nan. Now again I'm going to explain this one, but first of all write down the code. I'll remove this one, then comma, with which value, m value, comma, in place. Here I'm writing which one, in place, in place is equals to what, true. Okay, now check out, I'm going to explain this one again. df, that is data frame object, age column, replace null value or NN value with the m value. M value consists of which one, mean value of the age column, and in place is equals to true. Means what, apply the changes to the original data frame object. Now when I write after executing this one, execute this one. Now actually there is a spelling mistake, so just in place, in place. Okay, again execute this one. Okay, after executing this one, Now print the data frame object df. Now check out here, your 6 number index value is replaced by which one? Mean value, that is called 34.83. The 10th index value, NN value, is replaced by what? 34.83. So that is the way to deal the what missing value inside the numeric column. Now one more column is remaining, that is called salary column. Here salary column, last value is which one? Null value or NN value. Repeat the same procedure. Find out the what? M1, that is the mean value. Write down here df data frame, then column name is equals to what? Salary, then dot mean. Okay, so just print the mean value of the salary. Now check out, this is the mean value of the salary. Now this mean value I'm going to replace here. So I'm going to write down here instead of NN value. So just again write down here, that is called df in bracket data frame, in bracket write down what? Salary, column name, dot name of the function is equals to which one? Replace in bracket np dot which value I want to replace, that is called np dot NN value with mean value of the salary column, that is called m1, in place is equals to which one? True value. Okay, so when I execute this one again, replace, okay, method name is wrong, replace. Again execute this one and print data frame object. Now check out, when I print the data frame object, last value, that is called, that was NN value, now it is replaced by which one? Mean value of which one? Your salary column. Okay, now remember this one, this second method, whatever the second method we discussed, replace what? Your NN value by using which one? Mean value. Now this method is applied on the feature which has numeric data like age column. We can calculate the mean and replace it with the missing value. This is approximation which can add variance to the data set, but the loss of the data can be neglected by this method, which yields better result compared to the removal of rows and columns. Now again one more time I'm going to repeat this one. Before applying your data to the machine learning model, you have to handle the missing value. There are two ways to handle the missing value. First method is simply delete all the rows which has at least one missing value or null value or NN value. Now this method is applicable only when you have what? Large amount of data, but do not use this method if you have small amount of data. Then if you then you can use which one? Second method, that is called replace all the NN value or null values with the mean value of that column. Okay, so these are the simple what? Two steps we discuss here, that is called first what? Load libraries and what? Load data set, that is the first step. And second step we discussed how to handle the missing value. Now more steps are remaining to what? Data pre-processing inside which one? Machine learning. Rest of the steps I'm going to explain inside the next video.